In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username in Leonardo AI quickly and easily. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it helps to know exactly where to click so you can update your profile without getting stuck. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're logged in to your Leonardo AI account. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in with the account you want to update, because the username change needs to be done from inside your profile settings. Once you're on the Leonardo AI homepage, look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. At the very bottom left, you'll see your profile icon. This is where your account options are stored, so go ahead and select that profile icon. After you click it, a menu should appear with a few different options. From that menu, choose Settings. This will open your account settings page where you can manage your profile details and personal preferences. Now, inside the settings area, look for the field where your username is shown. Click into that box and type your new username carefully. Make sure you choose a username you actually want to use, because this is the name people may see on your account. Once you've entered the new username, simply press Enter on your keyboard to save the change. In most cases, Leonardo AI will update it right away, and you should see your new username reflected in your profile. If it doesn't update immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page if needed. And that's it, you've now changed your username in Leonardo AI. It only takes a few steps once you know where to find the settings, and now you can keep your profile updated in just a few seconds. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step AI guides, and I'll see you in the next video.